This video is presenting by Commerce students in KUCTE Kulakada. Welcome to our video. Republic Day of India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950, reprising the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950 with a democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. India achieved independence from British Raj on 15 August 1947 following the Indian independence movement. The independence came through the Indian Independence Act 1947. The country, though, did not yet have a permanent constitution. Instead, its laws were based on the modified Colonial Government of India Act 1935. On 29 August 1947, a resolution was moved for the appointment of drafting committee, which was appointed to draft a permanent constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates the coming into force of the constitution. A draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. The Assembly met in session open to public for 166 days, spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days before adopting the constitution. After many deliberations and some modifications, the 308 members of the Assembly signed two handwritten copies of the document on 24th January 1950. 2 days later, which was on 26 January 1950, it came into effect throughout the whole nation. On that day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first term of office as President of the Indian Union. The Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under the transitional provision of the new Constitution. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place in the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage.